The message that you give society with this is that hate is okay. And I think that's the part that I fear.
Adern Balmori of the Trevor Project wasn't surprised that the suicide line for the LGBTQ plus youth was cut last week. She says now it's about bracing for impact. Now, last Thursday, the Trump administration cut the subnetwork or line number 3 from the 988 suicide prevention line, all part of his big, beautiful bill passed by Congress in efforts to cut federal program spending. The Department of Health and Human Services saying keeping this specific service would have required relocating funds away from the main 988 number, a resource that was life-saving for youth in the community.
That it really makes a difference when you have someone who understands what you're going through. So really having a specialized service is really having someone who understands. And that could make a difference for saving someone's life.
The hotline would connect youth in need to counselors that specialized in the LGBTQ plus community. The nonprofit The Trevor Project helped out with answering some of those calls. In a month, helping about 19,000 people. Eliminating this resource could be detrimental as gay and trans youth have a higher risk of mental health problems.
LGBTQ young people are 4 times as likely to attempt suicide than their peers, 4 times more. And we in Trevor Project estimate that more than 1.8 million LGBTQ young people seriously consider suicide each year in the U.S.
In Pennsylvania, a 2024 survey from the Trevor Project says 36% of young people in the community seriously considered suicide. That number higher within the trans and non-binary section. And 68% experienced anxiety and 53% felt symptoms of depression.
It's more the environment that is making you think of a suicide or having a suicide attempt than who you are. And what really makes a difference is what we could do as a society in that environment.
Balmori says this is largely due to external factors, and we must come together to make a difference. In Philadelphia, Yukare, Nakayama, NBC 10 News.
The Trevor Project is working with other organizations to fill that void. They do offer trained crisis counselors 24/7 by calling 1-866-488-7386 or by texting START to 678-678.